flat white, please.
Flat white, that'll be €6.
Oh, it says €4 on the board.
Oh, that's just the asking price.
I'll pay $6.50, thanks.
€7.50.
8?
€8.50. It's 51.
9. €9.
€9. Amazing, congratulations on your new coffee. Actually, sorry, it's just still sale agreed, so I'll hang on to this one for now.
You have any sandwiches?
Yeah. We have this sandwich.
Yeah, but it's not really what I'm looking for.
They don't make sandwiches like this anymore. I have to say, it's a real fixer-upper and it's got great structure, so you can really put your own spin on it.
No. What else?
How about this one?
It's a bit small.
Right, okay, yeah. Well, I suppose we have this one as well. It'll be ready by Q4.
I want a sandwich today.
You like this? How about this? How about this one?
Oh, yes. I will take that sandwich.
But it's in Nace, which is only an hour and 40 minutes on the commuter train away, so if you left now...
Can I see the first sandwich again, please?
Oh, you actually can't view it right now. There's actually a lovely family looking at it right now, and they are very interested. They're bidding 15.
16. I will pay €16 for that sandwich.
Great, 16. So that's 16 plus bread tax, plus cheese cover, plus ham insurance, and you will have to buy it the least of the box it comes in. So that's 30 altogether.
Fine.
Oh, I'm so sorry, madam. It seems just this second all of our sandwiches and coffees have been bought up by these generous gentlemen over here.
Make buying a home less daft. Download Whack, the app that helps you bid better.